If I sit in the back of the car and I want to get air, I take note of my vent. There is a center spin wheel. On the top you'll see black on black, wind, and an X. On the spin wheel there is no line. You can do the best to draw a white line with whiteout. Oh, it's not permanent. And then you can start to turn your wheel down and you won't get air. Oh, you'll suffocate. You won't be able to feel the air. You have to rely on the front vents. Now, where does heat come from? I don't know if this car has it, but I'll point down below and I'll move the seat forward. Oh, it's gonna take forever. Your heat comes from the bottom. Your heat comes from the bottom, right here. A vent. Your heat can also come from here, as well as your air. So you do get air from the bottom and from here. If you got a problem, you better start looking why things are not working for you. That's one location. That is another location. And of course, your other location. If all of these fail to work for you, what to do? We come to a forum and we ask others to do our work. Get to know your car. The owner's manual is a great place to learn all the little neat hints on how things work. If you feel that you need to visit your dealership service department, by all means, set up an appointment. It's free for under warranty people. But it's going to cost you an arm and a leg to simply call up and schedule an appointment for something very simple at your fingertips. The spin wheels. And let me show you why and what I said before will make some sense to you. Notice the white marked wheel. Up is on, and the bottom should be nowhere. Nowhere has this car has a center area of inside air. Have a great day. I'm Fish, and I thank you for joining in on the video and understanding your issue. Have a great day, and see you on many others to come.